Moment of inertia of a cut disk. Here is a JEE Main 2024 rotational motion question that looks complicated because of the cutout, but the solution is actually very systematic. The question goes like this. A uniform circular disk of radius r and mass m is rotating about an axis perpendicular to its plane and passing through its center. A small circular part of radius r by 2 is removed from the original disk, shown over here. We have to find the moment of inertia of the remaining part of the original disk about the axis as given above. The key idea is simple. Treat the remaining disk as the original disk minus the removed circular part. Let's find moment of inertia of the original disk. For a uniform disk of mass m and radius r, moment of inertia about an axis through its center and perpendicular to its plane is given as I original equals half mr square, same as 16 by 32 mr square, written for convenience. Next, let us find mass of removed disk. The removed circular part has radius r equals r by 2. Since the disk is uniform, mass is proportional to area. Therefore, small m upon capital M equals pi r by 2 square upon pi r square equals, after cancellation, 1 by 4. Hence, small m equals capital M upon 4. So, the removed piece has 1/4 of the original mass. Next, locate the center of the removed disk. From the diagram, the small disk of radius r by 2 shown here is tangent to the outer boundary. Therefore, the distance between the centers is d equals r minus r by 2. Next, we find moment of inertia of the removed disk. Let's be careful here. The required axis passes through the center of the original disk. This one, not through the center of the removed piece. This one. So we use the parallel axis theorem. I equals ICM plus MD square. For the small disk, ICM is half MR square. Substitute small m is big M by 4. So small r is big R by 2. Therefore, ICM equals half into big M by 4 into big R by 2 square, which will be MR square upon 32. Hence, the parallel axis theorem is MD square equals M by 4 into R by 2 square MR square upon 16, which is 2mr square upon 32, written for convenience. Hence, I removed will be this mr square upon 32 plus this 2mr square upon 32, 3 by 32 mr square. Subtraction will give us the final answer. Now simply remove this contribution from the original disk. So, I remaining equals I original minus I removed. I original is this 16 by 32 mr square minus I removed this 3 by 32 mr square, 13 by 32 mr square. Hence, the correct answer option here is B, 13 by 32 mr square. JEE exam trick. Whenever a part is removed from a body, think remaining moment of inertia equals original moment of inertia minus removed moment of inertia. And if the removed part's center is away from the required axis, just like here, immediately think of the parallel axis theorem. A very useful PYQ for mastering the combination of mass ratio, standard moment of inertia, and the parallel axis theorem. Keep practicing JEE Main PYQs, and I will see you in the next problem.